So Orangery was built in 1705 for Queen Anne. So she commissioned Sir Christopher Wren and Nicholas Hawksmoor to design her a very posh greenhouse. It was used right from the very beginning for functions and parties, and in fact it still is for Historic Royal Palaces has been one of the things that we've used it for. We've been doing major external conservation repairs, repairing to the fabric and repairing the masonry, and also upgrading the building services inside. But all of that work was severely impacted when COVID first hit us in the first lockdown in March of last year. And since then, we've been trying to work a way to actually be able to get on and carry on with the masonry repairs and also the work on the inside to conserve and protect this absolutely amazing Baroque building. These bricks here are called soft red rubbers, and that's because you can actually rub the brick and make it shaped in a different way. There's been a whole debate for a long time about how much we should take down, rebuild, replace. So what we're currently doing, we've done the first investigations which confirmed that these are very soft. When they're this soft, they actually start to erode really fast, and that skin on the outer face goes quickly, and then it gets worse and worse. The guys have started at each end, recording every brick so they know what the jointing is, what each of what are called the little closer details here. The joint's absolutely amazingly fine, 1-2 millimeters. So the skill level is absolutely amazing. They have to string across to make sure that that course over there is perfectly aligned with this one, so that by the time they're coming through in the middle and we take down the center section, that they're actually fully aligned. And downstairs, these soft bricks are hand cut to get to the curve.
And we're getting a bit of sandpaper on a broomstick. Make sure we're happy with
it. It's just absolutely amazing craftsmanship.
Just amazed with the shapes, how they managed to cut it as a jigsaw puzzle. It feels like one of those bits of brickwork where it elevates it. It's closer to stonemasonry in a way. Recently we found a brick with a name written in it, so that is one of our predecessors in a way, a bricklayer who worked on this building. So that was a nice touch from him to do that and for us to discover it after so many years.
All we're trying to do is that little stitches in time so that we can preserve and protect the building for the future. The Cultural Recovery Fund has allowed us to start the project in earnest and allow us to get on and do even more of the repairs that we'd planned to do. It will allow us to use this building again and bring it back into use, which is essential for Historic Royal Palaces and an absolutely amazing opportunity for the public to come back in and use it.